Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the video. Today may seem a little bit different because I don't know that I've filmed very often in a car driving down the road, but that's what we're doing this morning. And we are headed to our paint store. It's called Coops Wholesale Paint on 11th Street in Tulsa, Oklahoma. If you guys are in Tulsa or the surrounding area, I mean, those guys in there take pretty good care of me, I know, and I'm sure they would you as well. The only issue we're having today is I had this test or sample of paint made up. It's been quite a while ago. It's probably close to 2 months ago. I sent my paint chips in and they tinted around and got a color, and then just the other day I sprayed a test panel with it, and I actually have my test panel in the car with me. Ordinarily I wouldn't take my test panel back. I'd just say, hey, mix up that formula that you have. Well, my paint guy lost the formula. Yeah, an unfortunate deal because this color matches like perfect, and I know they spent a little bit of time tinting on it, but we're going to get it worked back around and get a color that matches this color. May have to spray one more test panel just to make sure. Nah, we'll just get the paint and it'll be good. So I'm going to take you guys into the paint store if they'll let me, and kind of show you mixing rack and kind of how they go about making one of these colors that there's no formula for. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, whatever you want to do. Hey, we're here at inside of a mixing room with Carson here, and Carson's worked on this color. What did you have to do?
I just scanned it with the Valspar camera, and then it gave me a formula, and then came back here, followed the formula, mixed it, and it gave us a pretty close color, and messed with it a little bit, and got it right on the money.
Cool. All right, we'll go up and look at the camera and stuff, and pull the envelope out so we can pay for this, and then we'll move on. Overview of the camera. So we're taking pictures right now. Camera takes pictures from multiple directions at the same time to get our color the same. If you're doing it on a car, you would do around the whole panel, but since we just have this small panel here, we're doing that to get the minimum readings. Then he'll plug it in and upload it, and then yeah, and then some of these, breaking the envelope open to pay for the material so we can get this old car done. So here we got the gallon mixing can on the scale, and Carson is using this sheet of paper as a printout with your paint formula on it, and he's just grabbing the toners off the mixing rack and pouring the appropriate weight of each one in here to make that color come out to the formula. And you know, I just wanted to show you all as much as I could of the process going on, so you can kind of get an idea of what happens behind the scenes when you go to the paint store and you ask someone to make you a color or whatever on a particular job. highly scientific method.
I mean, that's all we got. And this is even wrong. You know what I mean?
Oh, come on, man. This has got to be, it's like science.
Valspar school, they laughed at Richard. He's like, I have my guys dab it on there. He's like, you guys are fucking morons. Like, straight up. He's like, that's not how you do it.
Yeah.
Solids is the only colors you can. If you do that with
Yeah.
colors, you're an
Oh,
absolute-
yeah.
you're an idiot.
But solids, I mean, it's going to dry.
Yeah.
As long as it's mixed good and
Right.
you let it dry good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think you're morons.
No, I'm just saying.
Stuff is so thin.
It's just beating up.
Huh. That's my paint. All right, so here we've sprayed a little solution on there so that we can look at the little dab of paint on here to see it wet, and it looks great. Guys, check it out and see what you think, or if you can tell here by this little spot. We're trying to get some light on it for you, but it's really tough. Oh, that's a lot of light. Give the camera a chance. Yeah, I don't think it'll show.